Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we've got something very special, very rare and not actually on the road yet. We've got the TRC kit for the Ibiza 6F. So, in front of us we've got the TRC, which is Triple R Composites R-Line kit. Basically it's their body kit. Hopefully you can hear me over that aeroplane. So, it goes right the way around the car, right the way down to the rear. And it looks great. So, what is it? How is it here? Basically this is the first one they ever made. They took Sean's car and decided to go and make it look pretty fucking good, to be honest. You can see how much it changes the look of the car. Compare it to the standard on the front. So it's made up of the front, the sides and the rear slats on the rear. So your side skirts actually sit really, really nice, as you can see. Coming round, sitting underneath. The only issue that we found so far, or that Sean found so far, is jacking points. So you will have to cut those out if you get this kit. The front, as you can see, with these amazing looking stickers on them and the pinstripe, really makes the front of the car pop. So this is the most interesting bit, which is the bit I was quite surprised at. They didn't decide to make a spoiler, unfortunately. So this doesn't actually have a spoiler on at all, not like my car. And the diffuser is literally only a couple of slats. So that under there. This, we can't say is TRC because it's not. Sean made it himself because he's pretty good at things like that from the looks of it. And it goes around to the rear. So the actual rear of the car pops, but it's not because of the TRC. So, the actual cost of this, no one actually knows at the moment, but if you look at the other TRC kits, it's going to be around £600. Is it worth it? Well, you've got to make that decision yourself, really. Oh shit, let's not fall over. Is it worth it? £600. Would you pay 600 quid for it?
I'd say so, yeah.
Yeah?
I like the look of it now.
Yeah, you couldn't really picture the car without it, could you? And it's such a talking point. So yeah, 600 quid, you can get yourself, or around 600 quid, obviously we don't know the price yet, the TRC kit. What would I change? So I'd definitely do some sort of spoiler, even if it's just a little spoiler lip or something, would look really, really good. Diffuser, probably something going a little bit more like the Ryger, because the Ryger diffuser, which I've got on, I think looks really, really good. All these little red bits are all Sean's add-ons. It just looks good. Looks really, really good. So comparing it to my Ibiza, this is the TRC kit. And this is the standard Seat kit. The TRC side splitters, or side skirts. They do look good. I think the side skirts look a lot better than the Seat ones. So this is the Seat side skirts. Don't really stick out much. Kind of just look at a little bit of flare on. Maybe if they were a different colour. But that is the side skirt. And then, yeah. And then the diffuser or the splitter that they held on at the end are just tiny little slats. But we can include the diffuser that's been added on and made by Sean. And compare that to the Ryger diffuser, which everyone is known to come and love. But the good news of that is that the cars are now starting to become more into that modification stage, a bit like what the ST and everything will hopefully come to, where there's just going to be so much more you can add to it, because that's really, as you saw from the hate video, one of the big issues I have with the car, because there isn't a huge amount out there. But with TRC stepping into it, maybe Maxton will step into it now, the more people we can get into it, competition's good. There will be a proper little review on this whole car because it's very good looking, and we can go over all the bits on there. But that is a quick overview of the TRC kit. To install it, a lot of the time you just, like any other kit, it's glued on with some self tappers. That's pretty much how all kits are held on. That's just how it works, so deal with it. You have to drill your car. Other than that, that is an overview of the TRC kit. Again, massive thank you to the man over there. Go check out Deadly Stealth on Instagram, give it some love and some life, and we will see you in the next one.